everyone, I'm Cici. Today I'm here at China Refrigeration Expo, China's largest HVAC event, right here in Shanghai. This is where the coolest tech in heating, cooling, and ventilation get showcased. Guess what? Holtop is here, has a massive booth full of innovation as always. Ready to see what gets inside? Let's go and check it out. Welcome to Holtop booth number W3F31. In 2002, we started designing and producing energy recovery ventilation systems. Yep, that's 23 years experience in this field. In Holtop, we focus on one thing, that is support and help our partners make smart investment and decisions. How? By delivering high performance and market chain units with very competitive with a suitable price. So today, we are here to show you most of our popular units, including the energy recovery ventilation system, the heat exchangers, and the air conditioners, including the chillers, the rooftop units. Yes, so follow me. I will show you around to show you what we are doing. Now we come to the heat exchanger part. Here we present our heat exchangers, including the plate heat exchangers and the hexagon heat exchangers. Like this one, the efficiency is very high. And this is also aluminum. And this one is enthalpy with the plastic structure. Yeah. And come follow me. This one will show you the running logic when the heat exchanger built in the ERV. So you see the efficiency for this cone can up to 95%. So we also customize the size for you. So just give us your working condition and what efficiency you want. Then we will select the report for you and then quote you the price. That is very easy, right? And at my right hand, this one, we call it vertical ERV or HRV. This unit is very popular in the European market with a very high efficiency. You see, we have hexagon heat recovery heat exchangers built inside. The efficiency is up to 95. And all right, now we are coming to the residential energy recovery ventilation system era. Here we present two models. One is our wall-mounted ERV, airflow is 150. Another one is our 600 cubic meter per hour unit. For this unit, we have a smaller one with 300 cubic meter per hour. Both of these units are ductless design, so it's no ducting work, so you can save a lot of the cost on the installation. We have some videos. If you like, we can share with you later. For both of these units, the filtration is very high, so it can offer a very comfortable and clean environment for every family or even the school projects.